Okay, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Mercy level, otherwise known as level number 43 from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. Let's get started by reading the mission.txt file here. So here it says, user Mercy is always wrong with the password of Paula. It says always wrong with the password of Paula. So this actually doesn't tell us very much. So what we need to do is we need to take a look at, we need to take a closer look at what is inside Mercy's home directory here. So we're just going to do ls-la to see everything in the directory. And there's actually something in here that we haven't seen in the other home directories. Can anybody spot what it is? There's something in here that can give us a lot of information about what this user was doing previously. So this is actually something you might want to take note of if you want to do other CTF challenges that, that occur on like Linux systems. So bash history is something you can get a lot of information from if you're able to see it with your user login. So the bash history, we have access to this. We can read it because we're in the Mercy group and we're the Mercy user. And what we can do is we can read this history file. Actually, we can either use the cat bash history, or we can just type history in the command line. So either one of these is going to get us our command history. But we see here that we've got, so which commands, so which one is probably the password for the next level? So this person, so the note said that they were getting Paula's password wrong. So this command over here, switch users to Paula, and then a string. This is a pretty good indication that this might be a password. So to everybody who is keeping track, this is Paula's password. All right, so everybody, let's go over how we got the password for this level. This was the Mercy level. Okay, so who was the target user for this level? The target user was the Paula user, and the method of solve for this level is access the user's command history. And the key command in this case was just the history command. We could also use we could also do the cat cat dot bash underscore history command as well. Okay, let's commit those changes. All right, everybody, so this was a guided walkthrough for level number 43, otherwise known as the Mercy level, from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.